everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to Airstream DFW. I'm Michaela Evans. I'm here today to show you another all new 2025. Behind me is a 2025 Flying Cloud 23 foot. This one actually is going to be the queen bed, so 23 FB if you're looking it up. So we're going to get started right away, go through everything that's on the outside, then I'll let you guys check out the inside and this nice queen size bed inside. So behind me, I'll point out some things new for 2025. On the door, we've got these new locking systems. I think I've pointed this out before on the office model, but this lock is going to be so much easier to use. Doesn't get sticky like the old locks. Great to just be able to click it and open really, really easily on this door. Of course, a 23 foot is the first step in a dual axle. So this is going to be the smallest dual axle that Airstream makes. So if that's a concern or something that you want to stick into but have a weight limitation, this trailer weighs 6,000 pounds. So even some larger SUVs will pull this very, very easily at only 6,000 pounds gross weight. Another new upgrade for 2025, we've got a recirculating water heater. So this is going to be your vent here and access to it. It's a Gerard recirculating. That's going to help, if you're not familiar with what that upgrade is, that's going to help you not waste water out of your fresh water tank when you're off-grid camping or boondocking. It's going to let the water heat up inside the coils so that when you turn on the water, it's actually hot. So we love a tankless water heater because when you're on city water, you're going to have so much hot water, but this recirculating kind of addresses that issue when you're on a fresh tank only. So I hope that helps. Comment below if you have any more questions about that. I'm sure we can post references or links to more how that model works. And then on a 23 foot, since this is a queen bed, this is going to be your outside storage that you get. So it's pretty roomy. It goes up underneath that bed, so you can fit some necessities for outside in that storage unit. Now, this is a Flying Cloud, so of course we're going to get these nice stone guards on the front, solar guards. It's going to help protect your aluminum from rocks and anything that kicks up from the road here. And then the way we're ordering them here in stock, so if you come into the showroom, I have stuff that you can actually leave with in a few days. So come in, look through it, pick out the one you want, leave with it, definitely by Christmas. I mean, we're at Thanksgiving, everybody's on break. So come in, check in everything out, and you can leave with it then. But the way we have them in stock right now is with 2 lithium batteries, and those are battle-born lithium batteries, and 300 watts of solar. So a ton of solar, ton of lithium. That's Airstream's biggest from the factory solar and lithium package. And we think that's important, so we're ordering all of our stock like that. You're gonna have your propane tanks here. This is gonna be an electric tongue hitch, so easy up and down for leveling and getting that hitch on and off. And then, of course, this window in the front's a nice big window. It opens all the way up. Your solar guard is gonna act as your awning up here for some shade on the front end. And I'll show you the other awning on the rear when we make it around. Now, on to what we consider roadside. This is where all your power hookup's gonna be and your dump station. You'll see above me, this is part of the awning package. So if you're on the Airstream website and you're looking at all your options, one of the options is gonna be an awning package. That just means you're gonna get an additional awning here on the roadside, and you can see it's a little shorter than the full-size awning on the front. Or on the patio side, I guess I should say. But especially here in Texas, that is huge for shade and to keep it a little cooler inside the trailer. So we've got the smart amp power here, smart plug power here. You're also gonna be pre-wired for Starlink, so you have a coax here and an Ethernet plug as well. As we come back, Of course, like I said, this is your dump station, city water, black tank flush, and then we have an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. So nice little shower head there to rinse off kids, dogs, equipment, whatever you need right on the outside of the trailer. Okay, let's check out this back. So on the Flying Cloud model, you're gonna have a rear bumper storage. And let's talk about this because I've had a lot more people ask me lately about adding a receiver hitch onto this bumper to tow bikes or, you know, a little storage. And we don't recommend that. I do not want you guys to put a receiver hitch aftermarket onto your Airstream. It can do things like void your warranty. So the Airstream's just not rated to take that receiver hitch. If you want to carry your bikes, which I know all of us do, we actually partner with Fiamma. They make a bike rack that's specifically for Airstream, and even those e-bikes that everybody loves, we can get you a bike rack like that that will hold your e-bikes. And then above me, you'll see the other half of this awning package. You get this rear awning too that's a little shorter. Now, okay, let's check out the inside. Let's go inside and check it out. So this, if you've seen my video on the Caravelle 22, I think that's the last one I did. This is going to be a very similar layout to that. We've got this whole big rear bathroom here. So you kind of lose some windows on this side, but for those of you that don't want to go to a 33 foot, but want your bathroom all in one and not across the hall from each other, this is going to be the perfect layout for that. So nice big bathroom, nice roomy shower. You actually get some countertop space here and some storage underneath. So for a 23 foot, I mean, you really can't beat this nice big bathroom. 23 foot difference between a 22 is also this pantry. So you've got some extra kitchen storage here above, and then all these nice racks as well. And these cabinets actually lock into place, so when you're going down the road, you don't have to worry about them popping open with spaghetti sauce or something like that inside. Now we have this nice big kitchen. The 23 is going to jump up to a 3-burner stovetop. We have these nice cabinets above for plates and dishes, anything you need. These have the soft close hinges, so they won't slam on you. They actually shut very nicely. Soft close. And then this is also going to have a vent and a fan, which I know on sometimes these smaller trailers, you lose that feature, which is so nice when you're cooking in here to be able to air it out. The Flying Cloud's also going to give you the option of moving up to a convection microwave, and this is a 3-in-1, so it will act as an oven. There's actually a heating element in there, so if you're baking cookies or biscuits, you have that option. It's also a microwave for popping popcorn or reheating, and then also an air fryer for heating up some frozen things or reheating if y'all go out for dinner and bring home leftovers. So nice there as well. Straight across, we have our dinette. This color upholstery that you're seeing is called Seattle Mist. This is a gray. You can also get a color called Carolina Clay if you like that. It's more of like a neutral beige color. This dinette will turn down into a bed. I would say that it measures like a full-size bed, you guys. So Airstream says it sleeps 2 people, 2 small people, 1 large person and a small person. It's a little smaller than a queen, for instance, but definitely an extra sleeping area here. I know a lot of my customers that are out on the road are using it as a couch too. So just put the table down and get a little more comfortable. Then straight across the hall, straight across the galley here, we have a refrigerator. This is the smallest where you can actually get a freezer and a fridge. So this is going to be a full-size fridge. If you don't love the smaller little 4 square foot, cubic foot fridge inside like the Caravelle or the Bambi, then definitely keep in mind the Flying Cloud, because if you jump up just this little bit, you're going to get this full-size refrigerator. And then from there, We have a closet, and this is going to have hanging space. I've seen people put shelves in here, but you do have a nice little hanging rack for clothes to hang up inside there. So the bedroom is the biggest difference between a 22 and a 23 foot. So you know, in a 22 foot, the bed touches this far wall. So if you and your husband or you and your spouse are in a 22 foot, somebody is rolling over the other person. Once you come to a 23 foot, you actually have room all the way around the bed. And I think you'll be able to see it on a video right after this one, a twin setup. So you can also get this same layout with the twin beds, and they'll actually run north to south. But if you're a cuddler like I am and want to be in a queen bed, then this is the way to go, because somebody can get out on this side and you have your own nightstand, your own plug, your own USBs. There's this storage above the bed here. Same thing, the soft close hinges. Did you know your Airstream comes with its own pillows? So these are the pillows that come with your Airstream, as well as your bedding and decorative pillows. There's a ceiling fan above the bed. I know a lot of my guys point this out, that they like the idea of having a ceiling fan in the bedroom. And you have reading lights as well. So here's your nice big panoramic window. So if you can just imagine, you're pulled up, you lay in bed, and you've got your view right here from the bedroom. There's also going to be a TV back here in this bedroom. This is a smart TV, and it will flip around and face out to that dinette area if you're sitting and relaxing. Then back here, this is probably my favorite feature, because we just don't see a lot of storage in the bedroom. But check out these drawers. Huge, big drawers. Two to hold a lot of different clothes and things like that. And then you have a second storage closet here as well, with even more hanging space. There's a curtain to separate the living space from the bedroom if you have people visiting and have 4 people staying in here. So for a small camper, you're really hitting all the marks in a 23 foot. And so many times I have people come in who haven't gotten used to an Airstream brand before, and they say, we want a Bambi. And I say, okay, let's look at Bambis. And then once we start to looking and we step inside of a Flying Cloud 23 foot, it starts making so much more sense why these little upgrades will make it so much more comfortable on a week-long trip, a 2-week-long trip, to have a bigger bed and a bigger fridge. So just don't count this one out. It's a great, great trailer. We'd love for you to come out and see it. We hope everybody has a really, really happy holiday. And if you get some free time, drive on out to the showroom. We're indoors. It's nice and cozy and warm in here. Our Christmas tree should be up within a week or so. And I hope you guys have lots of great pie on Thanksgiving. And if you haven't yet, subscribe below, and we'll see you in the store. Thanks, you guys. Bye.